Hey, so I just wanted to share some results with you. If you're trying to make money online and you're looking for something that really works, this is for you. Basically, if you're in network marketing or affiliate marketing, you need something that you're going to be able to learn from and have the tools to be able to build your primary business, whatever it is. And this is good for network marketers and affiliate marketers. I'm going to show you that I had back-to-back sales, and this happened even in my sleep. At 5:55 a.m. this morning, I was sleeping, and some sales came in yesterday, as you can see there, and it's been very consistent. So that's the main thing when you get into an opportunity. You want something that's very consistent, something that's going to help your business to grow and help you to be able to get results. Now, when you start building your business online, if you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. A couple years back, I was $87,000 in debt. I was stressed. I was depressed. I didn't know what I would do. And I had all that, and I didn't know how to get out of it. And then I got online because some mentors that I had showed me a concept of how I could build my business online. And these are the things that I needed in my business in order to do that. I needed a sales funnel system. So this platform is for education, and it helps you to be able to build your business. So you need something to be able to retain your audience, to be able to build and grow an audience, and be able to grow your email list. So having to retain emails is very important because you'll be able to follow up with those people. Your list becomes your asset, and you're able to actually, make sales from your email list, and also you're able to actually build an audience and be able to grow using social media as well, which is what I do. I have different ways that I get traffic to my sales funnel, but the sales funnel is very important because your sales funnel is going to host all of your contacts and everything like that, and be able to actually follow up with them to build a relationship. So when you get in here, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to watch the welcome video, and then you're going to go through the 3 simple steps to build any business, and it's going to show you exactly how to build. Then you're going to learn about putting your domain together with your autoresponder. Your domain is where your funnel is going to be hosted at. Then your autoresponder is going to actually follow up with your leads and the people coming in that have an interest to give them more information. So when they come into your sales funnel, they'll basically see a video like the one that you see in front of me, and then there will be a button underneath like that, and then they'll be able to actually get started. And it's what you're also going to learn is you're going to learn how to actually create your funnel pages, right? You're going to learn how to optimize for mobile. You're going to learn how to create a custom tracking pixels, so your numbers. You're going to learn how to do exapops. Exapops are very important because if somebody tries to leave your funnel, it keeps them in there. It says no wait, they get a pop-up, and it keeps them within the funnel. And then also is what you're going to do is you're going to actually learn about how to create share codes to share your funnels with people that sign up with you. You're going to learn how to track your leads in your builder. You're going to learn how to sell your own products, which is very important as a marketer. You got to know how to sell your own products once you have them. So you might do a training or something like that and have to sell them, and it'll be inside a membership site. You can also learn how to build that out within here as well. And then inside your funnel, if they buy, like let's say they click on that button right in front of us, if they buy, then it might take them to an upsell, which is something else that they offer a value that you could buy for an additional cost. If they don't buy, it might offer them a downsell, right? So a downsell is something that you offer that still has value, but it's at a lower price that they could actually buy before they leave your funnel, right? So that's an upsell and downsell. You'll learn that, and then you'll learn how to actually, book your appointments, and you'll learn how to, do your emails the right way, email marketing tips, and you're also going to learn how to build out your whole, website the right way, and do custom graphics and all that, and split test your pages. Split testing is testing the numbers to see how many people actually put their email in based on the copy, based on the words that are on the page. So when they go to put their email in, you want to pick the one that is converting the best, right? So it's all about, tracking your numbers and everything like that. You're going to learn that within this system, right? And then you're going to be able to get, coaching. And then, this offers, 80% commissions, this whole platform. And this whole website was built off of this funnel builder, which is very, very cool because it's a very well put together website. And it's really easy for somebody to get started. So I like the way this was put together. It's very, very good. But it offers 80% commissions. This funnel building tool is only $25 a month. You get a $20 commission out of that. But I wanted more than just a $20 commission, so I upgraded to the traffic portion. I wanted to learn about traffic. So, this gives you $100 a month, extra. So you're getting $120 per month. And is what you're going to learn is you're going to learn how to actually, store your passwords so you're not scatterbrained. You're going to learn about the big picture of marketing. You're going to learn who your target market is, which is who your audience is, basically your target market. And then you're going to learn how to create a lead magnet, which is what they actually get in exchange for them giving you their email, right? It might be a giveaway of some kind of value in exchange for email. So you're going to learn how to do that. You're also going to learn free methods of marketing, which is launching your business, inviting people to see it, and then following up with them, which is important. You're going to learn how to get leads on Facebook. You're going to learn how to blog. You're going to learn how to rank your videos on YouTube, which is why you see my videos at the top of the search engine. You're going to learn about, podcasting. You're going to learn about, blogging, like I said, and recruiting on LinkedIn, which is like Facebook, but very cool. You're going to learn that, and then you're going to learn about Facebook advertising methods, free methods, and paid methods, and you're going to learn about how to do Facebook Lives the right way, and then you're going to be able to actually launch your product. And by doing the launch, that's when you get people onto a presentation, you get value on the front end, and then you sell on the back end, right? So it might be you have people onto a presentation, you sell your product for $500 or whatever the value is, you have 10 people on, 5 people buy. The presentation takes you an hour and a half. Do the math, and then you're gonna actually also learn about paid methods, which are solo ads, which are one time blast to another marketer's list. Basically, they send out your link to their list, so you get people from their list onto your list. That's what solo ad is. Then you're gonna learn about Facebook ads, video ads as well. It's very, very cool training. And then you're also going to learn about, conversions, how to convert your leads, the conversion formula, how to close your leads, insider secrets to closing. And then you're going to learn how to get somebody onboarded the right way. So when they sign up with you and they join, a lot of times people don't know how to get them on the right way. So that's what you're going to learn in this platform as well. And then you're going to be able to get coaching. So you'll be able to get the Monday night coaching, which everybody, gets on and pretty much, shares what they're doing in their business. They're able to ask questions. There's over 70 people on that call normally every single week. I was on there speaking on what I'm doing to get results. They had me come out as a guest speaker a couple weeks ago, and it was amazing. And people are always learning on that call, so it's very cool. And then there's a daily, mastermind call at 9 a.m. to pretty much, for a mindset. So it helps you to actually get in the right frame of mind when you're in business. And then they have a Take Action Mastermind, which is where the leaders of this opportunity pretty much, get on over the shoulder and show you what they're doing in their business to get results, right? So you'll get all of that. Right, and it's very cool that they get on because not a lot of companies do that live. So then you're going to actually, get some more, bonus trainings that they have here. And then the cool thing is there's done for you funnels. So you'll be able to actually come in and get started immediately and have funnels already done for you, which is really, really cool. Right, and then So on top of that, so now you have your funnel set up, you're starting to get traffic, you're learning about traffic. Now you need to know how to manage your business. So this course right here is a one-time course. It gives you a $400 commission. Is what it's going to show you is all about finances, all about running your business the right way as a business owner. So that way you get the most out of your business and you know how to do it. Because a lot of people start businesses and they don't know how to operate it. They don't know how to run it, especially a home-based business, which this is very, very cool because you're going to learn all that stuff. What you're going to learn about is financial literacy. You're going to learn about how to eliminate your debt, and then you're going to learn about how to reduce your taxes. So reducing your taxes is going to keep more money in your pocket and you won't have to pay as much in taxes, right? And here's the strategies that you need to know and how to plan for retirement and how to keep your books the right way, so that way you are very organized in your business and you know exactly how to do it. And when you start making money, you have to do investments or else it'll be taken, in taxes. So pretty much right here, there's all kinds of things that you can learn. You can learn how to avoid scams, and you're going to learn about how to have assets, how to invest, how to actually, car flip, how to do mobile homes, how to do, property management, how to house flip, and things like that, which is very cool. And, property management and things like that, that's what's going to keep your, money coming in passively. And you're going to have investments, so there'll be assets, so you'll never have to really, pay on taxes because, you'll be able to invest a lot of your money. When you invest it, it grows from there. So you're going to learn all these strategies about how to manage your business as well. So you have the potential of making $500 or more per sign up. And it's very, very amazing because what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to actually show you how to get at least 1,000 people to see this offer per month, but you have to sign up and go all in, and I'm going to help you to be able to get 1,000 people per month to see this at minimum, depending on your work ethic, right? And you're going to be able to use that as an incentive to get people to sign up with you, right? So if you're ready to learn how to market your business online the right way, make sure you click on the link below this video to get started, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And make sure you get into my Facebook group as well. It's a free group. The link's in the description. You can get into the group and start interacting with our group, so that way you could get results in your business as well. So make sure you click on those links below this video and get started today. And I appreciate you watching, and talk to you soon.